Week 5 reading assignment done by me, Matthew, and Arnie. The purpose of this assignment is to read a chapter, grasp an understanding of it, and collaborate with our teammates to create a video for this assignment. Remote monitoring. With the advent of SNMP and its success, the adoption of remote monitoring has expanded to include ARMON. While two remote monitoring technologies provide similar, it is important to differentiate between the two protocols. While SNMP provides network monitoring that includes usage, faults, access, and remote configuration, ARMON provides more. ARMON differs from SNMP in that it can set thresholds for alarming, can be supported through different types of software, and goes more in depth with alerting and trapping generation. ARMON collects group of stats and can be analyzed for long-term trends. Furthermore, ARMON relays both solicited and unsolicited information back to NMS, even more robust than SNMP. ARMON collects 9 different kinds of information. This study was to illustrate the importance of monitoring system, but not a local one. But ARMON remote monitoring, these and other tools were used to position probes within the network to be able to understand the internet traffic used for Georgia Institute of Technology. This also shows ARMON are not only tools of monitoring, but other tools need to be used depending on the nature of the situation. As stated, special tools were developed for the study. For example, the commercial probes were not fast enough to measure the packets traversing an FDDI ring. A network management, you can use multiple commands with OS and also SNMP tools that can be used to change and configure local remote systems. With these commands are not just limited to for use just typing them as shown in the table below, but can be used in scripts to obtain information. These are just a handful of tools that are easily available to configure and get information that is needed to manage a network. The commands. These are the commands below and what type of operating system they use and the description for it. ARMON. Since ARMON data is statistical, remote probes can introduce packet loss and inadvertently skewing data and making it somewhat unrealizable. Therefore, local network probes are recommended and better suited for implementation. Finally, ARMON is represented in 2 categories. ARMON 1, which only focuses on OSI layer 2, and while ARMON 2 focuses on higher layer protocols. Both ARMON 1 and 2 have 10 MIB groups. ARMON 1 through 9, and extension 10 for token ring, while ARMON 2 uses 11 through 20. NMS design. The design for the network management system, discovery modules, PM, and FM. FM, this deals with the real time and with the wide range events at unpredictable times. The way a network can work if it uses a rapid fault detection and rectification, but with this one, it needs to be careful when loading. This distribution management scales large networks. The network is a variety of switches, routers, network links, etc. With this being in mind, network management is primarily concerned with the performance and problems that happens within the network. So this will involve using configuration, NMS, monitoring traffic with the global view of network, having a plan and budget, knowing the cost of what you need to will be beneficial. Also, security management is important. This is the works cited, and thank you for listening to our presentation.